Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan jajangmyeon. First, gather your ingredients for this incredibly delicious plant-based Korean black bean noodle dish. The rich, savory sauce, made from roasted chunjang, is truly the heart of the recipe. We will combine it with fresh or dried noodles, creating a satisfying and deeply flavorful meal. You will love how simple it is to prepare, and it's perfect for a comforting weeknight dinner. Next, let's prepare the chunjang, which is the essential black bean paste for our sauce. This step is vital for developing that deep, umami flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the chunjang and gently fry it, stirring continuously for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This roasting process truly mellows any bitterness, bringing out a wonderfully rich, earthy aroma. Set this paste aside once it's beautifully fragrant. Now, let's build the base of our sauce by sautéing the aromatics and vegetables. In a large pot or wok, heat a tablespoon of oil and add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. Cook until fragrant, then introduce your vegan protein, perhaps firm tofu or hearty mushrooms. Follow with diced potatoes, zucchini, and cabbage, cooking them until they begin to soften. A small pinch of sugar here will help with caramelization and add a subtle sweetness, balancing the savory elements beautifully. Now, it's time to bring all those incredible flavors together for our sauce. Carefully add the roasted chunjang to your sautéed vegetables, stirring thoroughly to combine everything. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth or water, ensuring the sauce has a good liquid base. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 10 minutes so the flavors can fully meld. Finally, stir in a cornstarch slurry, made from 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, to achieve that signature thick, glossy sauce. With our delicious sauce ready, let's prepare the noodles and serve this incredible dish. Cook your fresh or dried jajangmyeon noodles according to the package instructions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain them thoroughly, removing any excess water. Divide the warm noodles among serving bowls, then generously ladle that rich, aromatic vegan jajangmyeon sauce over each portion. For a beautiful finish, garnish with some fresh cucumber strips and a light sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy your homemade, comforting vegan jajangmyeon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.